Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel Microbiology by Santosh Napte. Friends, I have created this YouTube channel for all microbiology students and already I have uploaded videos on different papers of microbiology. At the same time, I am going to upload that special videos for those students who are preparing for NET JRF, then SET exam, MSc Microbiology entrance exams, then DBT's ARF exams as well as GATE exams. And at the same time, I am uploading videos on job openings from different industries which will be very helpful for microbiology as well as other students. In last video, I have explained about how to search job on Google. Now today I am giving one information regarding or on one very useful app that is Indeed Job Search. So this Indeed Job Search app, it is a very useful app, and after downloading this app in your mobile, you will get notifications regarding the your desired job. So friends, kindly watch this full video, and at the same time, if you are not subscribed this Microbiology by Santosh Napte, so kindly subscribe this channel so that you will get notifications, and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos. So friends, let's start about how to search these jobs in this Indeed Job Search app. So all of you know that apps we can download from the Google Play or Play Store. So here I already there that jobs which you have searched here, that is app, and it is Indeed Jobs app. So after clicking on this Indeed Jobs or after typing that Indeed Job app in that search, so there is a that application will be open here, that is Indeed Job Search, and then we have to install this app. So it will take some time. Now after installation of this application, just you have to do some normal settings as like another apps. जो आप दूसरे ऐप में नॉर्मल सेटिंग वहाँ पे करते हैं, चाहे वो आपका मेल आईडी हो, चाहे नाम हो एंड अदर डिटेल्स आप फिलअप कर देते हो, उसी तरह से आफ्टर इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ दिस इंडीड जॉब सर्च ऐप you have to do such things here, and then as per your desirable job you can search these jobs in this Indeed Job Search app, and at the same time you will get notifications also, so that updates will be there regarding that job. So now that app is installed here. Now I will open this app just by clicking on that open button here. So after clicking on this open button, now here that app is open. Now the first page is here, that is sign in, create account, or you can also use this app without creating account here. So I will sign in, and if you are new for this application, so you have to create the account first. So I am signing in here. Now after signing in, they will ask about the mail ID. So I will use my this mail ID, that is microbiosantosh2005 @gmail.com. Now that logged in here. Now if you want to search, now see, this is the first column here where there is a job title, keywords or company name is written, and in second column here, that is where if you want to do or search that jobs in Pune, Nagpur, Aurangabad or Mumbai or other states also, Bangalore for example, Delhi, like that, then you have to put the name of that city, and here you have to put the name of that job title. For example, if I want to search that jobs in microbiology, so I will type that microbiology here. And after that, if I want to search that jobs in Pune, so I will type Pune here. And after typing that Pune, just I will enter or I will click on go. Now what is there? Did you mean jobs in India? Because the default setting for country, it is United Kingdom. So you have to change the country, or you have to click on this, did you mean jobs in India, or you can change the country from this option here, this blue color, change country, because the default setting is United Kingdom and they are saying that Pune was not found in United Kingdom. So that is correct. Pune is in India, it is in Maharashtra. Okay, so we have to change the country, or you can click on this jobs in India. So after clicking on jobs in India, so whatever these jobs are here, all these jobs are from Pune. So see, there is so many jobs are now available here, and all these jobs are from the Pune, because we have typed that microbiology jobs in Pune, Maharashtra. Okay. Later on, there is other options are also there: date posted, job title. So after clicking on this, you will get different job positions here: microbiology laboratory assistant, lab technician, quality control microbiologist. If you want to find out that jobs in research and development as a manager, so you have to just select this one. So microbiology research and development manager. Okay, see here, R&D manager, Sri Krishna placement. So in this way, so you can search the jobs. So here, so these are the 14 pages are there which consist of this microbiology jobs, and all these jobs are from Pune. Okay. So after clicking on that particular job here, see here, quality control microbiologist. So when or here microbiologist, and that name of company is Trimurti Cons Agro Foods, Pune, Maharashtra. When you will click on this, so there is a details about that job will be occurs. See here, microbiologist Trimurti Cons Agro Foods, Pune, Maharashtra. MSc Micro candidates with minimum of 3 to 5 years of experience in food industry with good analytical and communication skills. Contact person, human resource department head. Then they have given email ID and they have also given that phone number. So, and here this job was posted 30 days ago. Okay, but by clicking on this apply now, you can apply for the post. So in this way you can apply for that particular post here. See, this is the name. Directly you are landing on the website of that company, that is Trimurti Cons Agro Foods. See here, this is about the that company, and you can apply for this post here. Okay, or you can share this job to your friends also from this share symbol. So this, then later on there is a phone number is also given. Call company, you can save this job or you can report this job. So in this way you can find out the jobs or you can apply the jobs. Now if you want to see here, another job is here, that is head of total quality management. Okay, so again when you will click on this, so there will be details about that job will be occurs here. See, job location Pune, India, because specially we have added that city. Then details about that job is given here. Then see here, to excel in the job you must bring 5 to 8 years of experience in quality management with formal training in total quality management. Okay, and then you can apply for this post. Okay, so here again if you want to search, again you can change that location or all these things here. Suppose if you want to change that city, for example, so here we can change country from here for permanent. So if you want to, so India I have set here now. So many countries you can search job in different countries here. So here we have changed the country here. So just it is again, so you can change that country, and that is India. Okay, so here now that we have changed the country, and now you can search the jobs in different locations. Here see application specialist, production chemist, that is in Pune. 6 days ago. This post was uploaded here by 6 days ago. Now, if you want to see again, you have to edit here. Suppose, so this is the post. So in this way, you can search the jobs. Find a job here. That menu is here. So what type of job you are searching here? Suppose if I will type quality assurance or quality control and quality control microbiology I am typing here. And if you want to search that job in Mumbai, so I will type the name of city, that is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and then you have to click on this find jobs. Okay, so these are the jobs available in Mumbai. So quality control microbiologist Singh Ranjay Kumar, so proprietor of G India. And when you click on this quality control microbiologist, so detailed information will be given here, and that eligibility is also given. Masters in technology, that is MTech, ME, MSc or Bachelor of Science. So from this you can apply for the post. Again, if you want to click on this microbiologist, see here, then later on quality control manager, deputy manager, BDH Industries, Kandivali, Mumbai, Maharashtra. When you will click on this, so location they have given, then later on functional areas they have given, desired candidates profile they have given, that is MSc, PhD with experience of 10 years in pharma, well conversant with drugs acts and rules, WHO GMP, and experience of all aspects of QC, capacity to head quality control chemist team. They have given that mail ID as well as they have given their contact number, and from here you can apply for that particular post. So in this way you can search the jobs, and there is another option is also here, that is get job alerts. So when you will click on this, so automatically you will get the job alerts by this Indeed job search. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, so don't forget to share this video to your friends, and kindly subscribe this Microbiology by Santosh Napte for upcoming videos on microbiology as well as different entrance exams in life sciences, and also information or videos regarding the new job openings in microbiology and life sciences. Thank you.